you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.
Good morning, guys. Today we'll be filming a day in my life. It is my turn to sweep. It's around 5:40. Let's go. As you're a Ghanaian and you are living in a compound house, sweeping will never depart from your life. And if you don't sweep too, they'll be asking you why you didn't sweep. Anyways, I know someone will be thinking why I'm sweeping in a broad daylight. People, I can't see very well. When it's dark, I can't see. So it has to be light so that I can see. And the place is not all that big, so I can just finish within 30 minutes and do my thing. So after finishing, I just pick the rubbish into this bottle that I had lying somewhere doing nothing. I'm done sweeping. I want to do some quick washing. In most of the homes here in Ghana, we use our hands to wash. That was exactly what I was going to do. I'm praying for a washing machine, guys. I'm praying. As I was washing, I remember that I have this fish that I have to descale, and I have to wash my chicken drumstick that I bought. So I'm going to take it out and defrost them. After that, I'll descale the fish, then I'll wash my drumsticks and put it back into the fridge. Guys, do you like the color of my hair? I'm regretting. After washing, I proceeded to clean the kitchen. So I started off with the stove. Guys, you know I hate a dirty stove. After washing this stove, I realized that the black was creeping off. Then I washed my table that I had my stove on. I brought my things out to dry and I proceeded to descale the fish. As I removed the thing and tried to descale, I realized that it had no scales. The woman told me that this fish had no scales. I haven't seen some before. I asked my mom. My mom said she hasn't seen any red fish without scales before. Guys, am I safe to eat this? Fish gods, help me. After descaling and chopping my hands off, how many times have I said descale in this video? Well, I just divided everything into two, some into three, then I tied them up nicely. Then I placed everything back into the fridge. If you can see, that is my storage size, but I have to fix all these things plus the ones here, there. So that is what you are going to do. As I talk to you in real time, I wanted to do this voiceover too. I proceeded to shift things and clean the shelf. As a cleaning goddess, it's been a while since I cleaned the shelf. After cleaning, I just made room to put this bulky utensils. Mommy gave them to me. I was even making my mind to buy some, so thank you, mama. After that, I went ahead to blend this ginger. If I make my ginger like this, it doesn't go bad quickly, and I'm able to use them efficiently, not wasting any of them. I got about 5 of these. So the ginger, I went ahead to clean under the shelves so that I assembled my stuff on my table. I have this shelf beside my table where I keep my spoons and seasonings. I went ahead to clean the place and assemble them, not forgetting our almighty outside shoe rack. I cleaned it too and I assembled the shoes that were on it. Then I went ahead to clean the floor. It was hectic. There were a lot of things on the floor, so I had to clean the place thoroughly, sweep. Then I just mopped the place up. So this is after the cleaning. The place was looking nice. I'm done cleaning now. I look dusty and crusty, but I have to cook for my brother and cook for myself too, so I'm about to do that. I'm going to make a chop, then I'll make a stew for him. I went to town yesterday. Yesterday was market day. This is the ripe plantain that I got. The plantain was 15 cedis in addition to this one. Then the ripe plantain is 10 cedis. Knock knock, who is there? My sister. Your sister who? My sister who doesn't understand why I say stew instead of stew. That is the American pronunciation, sister. So I proceeded to make this eto. It was a lot because I was giving my brother some. So I started peeling everything, putting it in this medicine. It didn't enter. Then I bought a new one to put it in. After that, I went into the fridge to pick out the things for my stew. Then I did everything. Guys, I was so tired. When the ripe plantain and the plantain both done cooking, I took it off the fire and started with the stew. This is how I made the stew. You know, I've been making stew here all the time. Then, as the stew was cooking, I proceeded to mash the plantain and the ripe plantain together, adding my oil gradually. You know, I've done it here before. So after that, I just fixed my curtains, the outside ones. Hi guys! It's been a day. It's been a day. So I'm done with everything and I want to go and bath. After bathing, I was so tired that I couldn't come back to talk to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!